TemPro tips: how to take measurements for your TemPro shelter installation. Here's how to measure the space where your TemPro shelter will go. First, measure the width of the space where you will put up your shelter. Make sure to take all your measurements in feet and inches. Do the same thing for the length. Measure your driveway and make sure you don't go over your property line. Don't forget to check your municipal bylaws as well. Then, measure the height of your vehicle. Add a little extra room just in case. To find the measurements for your vehicle, just search for them on Google. If you have a roof box, roof rack, or ski rack, make sure to include it in your measurement. Once you have taken all measurements, snap a photo of your driveway to show us in store. We'll help you select the perfect TemPro shelter for your needs.